This is my dime. It is an error coin. Look at it. Oh, ayan. It's a dime. See? And this is the adverse. Okay? Ayan. Look. Look at my error coin. It's a dime. Nice one. My one and only error coin. How I wish this one will cost a lot of money. Okay, so for collectors, I have this one. Okay, look that one. Look, beautiful. It's beautiful.